We're living through a massive shift. Quiet, mostly on our screens, but as big as the internet itself. I'm talking about AI. For most, it's a novelty, a toy for weird images or funny emails. But for a growing group, it's a tool, a partner, fundamentally changing what it means to be productive, creative, and smart. They're not just using AI, they're collaborating with it. That distinction is creating a widening gap. This isn't some distant sci-fi future, it's happening now. By 2026, this will be the defining line between those thriving and those just trying to keep up. The biggest shift? Offloading mental clutter. Smart people use AI as a second brain, a personal, searchable database. Instead of trying to remember everything, they just ask their AI. This isn't just about organization, it's about clarity. When facing tough decisions, AI helps turn chaos into structure. It prompts questions, highlights blind spots, and offers new perspectives. The result? Faster, sharper decisions, and a mind free from what-ifs. With logistics outsourced, they focus on deep thinking and creativity. The more you feed the system, the more valuable it becomes. It's not a photographic memory, it's a second brain. This is how the smartest people are getting ahead. Are you building your second brain? Once your thinking is clear, the next step is using that clarity to generate income. The new elite use AI as a business partner, not just an organizer. Got an idea for a newsletter, YouTube channel, or e-commerce store? AI helps brainstorm names, create content calendars, draft posts, and even code landing pages, all in an afternoon. Market research? AI analyzes trends, reviews, and customer pain points in minutes, finding gaps and opportunities. This data-driven approach means smarter, less risky bets. Skill stacking is huge. Designers learn copywriting, writers learn video editing. AI breaks down new skills, creates exercises, and gives instant feedback. Now, one person can offer what used to take a team. The mindset shifts from, I can't do that, to, let's figure it out with AI. Any skill is learnable. Any market is researchable. Any idea is testable. The friction between idea and execution is almost zero. When you see someone launching polished projects constantly, it's not a big team. It's an AI co-pilot doing 80% of the heavy lifting. They ask, I'm good at X and interested in Y. What business models combine these? AI becomes an ideation engine. They're not waiting for opportunities. They're manufacturing them. The new money move? Partner with AI. The speed and efficiency are game-changing. The future belongs to those who build with AI, not just watch from the sidelines. The question isn't can I, it's how fast can I with AI? That's the new game. The next edge? Learning at warp speed. Traditional learning is slow. Books, lectures, piecing things together alone. Now AI is a synthesis engine. Summarize a 400-page book, explain complex concepts simply, or turn dense research into actionable insights. It's not just summaries. It's interactive, personalized learning. You can ask for analogies, ethical implications, or real-world examples, like having the author as your tutor, 24/7. This turns passive reading into active dialogue. For skills, AI builds custom curriculums. Teach me Python for Shopify sales analysis in 4 weeks. You get a tailored plan, relevant exercises, and instant feedback. Micro-mentors for any topic, finance, storytelling, coding, are now possible. When a new trend emerges, they're up to speed in a weekend, not months. The real advantage? Mastering the meta skill of learning how to learn, with AI as an amplifier. They're not just consuming info, they're integrating it, compounding knowledge day by day. Their AI second brain captures it all. Nothing is lost. This is how you build expertise across fields. Fast. When you see someone who's an expert in multiple areas, it's not genius. It's a system. AI is the ultimate learning accelerator. The pace of change is only increasing. The winners? Those who learn, adapt, and apply, faster than anyone else. The future is for the relentless learners. With AI, you can be one of them. The only question, what will you learn next? The tools are here. Are you using them? The most underrated use of AI? Emotional control. If your mind is chaotic, none of the other strategies work. The calm mind wins. Overthinking? People use AI to brain dump anxieties, then prompt it for reframing, applying stoic frameworks, separating real risks from irrational fears. It's not therapy, but it's a pocket coach for daily mental noise. The result? Less decision fatigue, less anxiety, more clarity. For confidence, they role-play with AI, practicing pitches, negotiations, tough conversations. The AI gives feedback, asks hard questions, and prepares them for real-world scenarios. By the time they walk into a meeting, they've already faced the toughest objections. It's also an emotional circuit breaker. Got a heated email? AI helps draft a calm, strategic response. This prevents rash decisions and burned bridges. Over time, this builds emotional resilience, training your brain to respond, not react. When you see someone unflappable under pressure, it's not that they're emotionless. They've built a system for processing emotions constructively. They use tools to sharpen their mind, not just their skills. The calm mind truly does win. Emotional mastery is now scalable. AI is the new mental gym. The strongest minds use it daily. The question, are you training yours? The future belongs to the emotionally resilient. With AI, anyone can be. The only limit is your willingness to use it. Start now. The final piece? Longevity, future-proofing your career and life. The smart know AI won't replace you, but people using AI will. They use AI to spot trends, setting up alerts, analyzing emerging tech, and reading signals before they hit the mainstream. They're not waiting for headlines. They're reading the raw data. This lets them position themselves ahead of the curve, learning new skills, or pivoting their business before the shift. When a new AI tool drops, they dive in, test its limits, and figure out how to use it before anyone else. They ask, how could this make my process obsolete? How can I use it to disrupt myself? They use AI to analyze their skills against future job demands, prompting for data-backed career plans. The result? Strategic upskilling, perpetual relevance, and a career that grows in value. Their career isn't a static title, it's a portfolio, always updated and optimized. They're agile, adaptable, and always learning. The fear of being left behind? Gone. They're riding the front of the wave. The biggest shift? Seeing AI as a tool that augments humanity, freeing them for creativity and connection. They're not racing against the machine, they're in the driver's seat. The future can seem intimidating, but the path is clear. It's not about having all the answers, it's about using the best tool ever created to find them. The future isn't something that happens to you, it's something you build, one prompt at a time. The playing field is being reset. The rules are being rewritten. The only question, will you build the future or watch it happen? The choice is yours. Start building. The real gap isn't access to AI, it's how you use it. By 2026, everyone will have it. The difference? Passive consumer or active creator. AI can be endless entertainment, or a lever to amplify your intelligence. The strategies we covered, second brain, income, learning, emotional mastery, future-proofing, aren't just tactics. They're a new way of thinking. This is about moving from consumer to creator, from being directed by tech to directing it. The future is coming fast, and the tools to thrive are already in your hands. The playing field is being reset. The rules are new. You get to choose which side you're on. The question isn't, will AI change your life? It's, will you use it like a thinker or a consumer? Subscribe to Brainflare AI, where thinking evolves. Looking to seize new opportunities in AI? Get our exclusive book on how to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence. Find the link in the description below and start your journey today.